Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Stake US. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Stake account in your Chrome browser and wait for the page to fully load. Once loaded, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit from the options available at the top of the screen. After selecting, click on the wallet option next to it. You will see two options, deposit and buy crypto. Click on deposit to proceed. Don't worry, there are only a few steps left until you know how to deposit money in Stake. After clicking on deposit, an interface will appear where you can choose whether to deposit in local currency or cryptocurrency. If you're depositing in cryptocurrency, your Bitcoin address will be displayed. You can either scan the QR code or copy the address for your deposit. Once you've scanned the QR code or copied the address, enter the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. So that's basically how you can deposit money in Stake US. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.